understood a word they said.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my summer 2021 Clean with Me. Today's going to be a quick video. I'm just showing you what I do when I'm just trying to get the house picked up in order to go to bed and wake up to a more peaceful home in the morning. And if you like this video, please remember to comment and subscribe because I actually can announce it now. I have some really exciting changes coming up on this channel that I want each and every one of you to find out about, so please have all of your notifications turned on and make sure you hit that subscribe button because it's going to be crazy when I can announce these. Tonight I'm starting by wiping down Kennedy's high chair. It just needed a good wipe down. She's been eating 3 meals a day, so it's 3 times a day I have to wipe it down, and then I'm going to put it back in the kitchen, and then I'm going to get right to some dishes. I had some bottles I had to wash and her plate, and then I had my plate I had to wash. And there's been a lot more dishes around here now that she is eating 3 times a day, 3 meals with us. But it just means that she's growing up, and at the time that this video is going to be up, she's actually 1. She just turned 1 on Saturday, July 24th. So we have a big 1-year-old now, and that is crazy. I can't believe that this year has gone by as quickly as it did. And my baby is now growing up. Mamas, can you relate to how I'm feeling? Please let me know. I'm not alone. And speaking of her eating 3 meals a day, that's meant a lot more cooking around here and finding little meals that she'll like. It's so fun to discover her likes and dislikes and then tailor meals around those. I'll put a little picture of what I made her tonight. I put it up on my Instagram if you want to follow. It's Bella_Ariana127, and I've been posting a lot of either her meals or just updates about Kennedy, kind of what we're doing day to day. It's been really fun to see a few of you have followed me over there too, and I really appreciate it. Guys, I know I mentioned it a little bit earlier in the video and then completely dropped it, but we do have some incredible, amazing changes coming up for this channel and for our life and for our family. There's actually 2, and the bigger of which was actually just confirmed to us yesterday, and I'm so excited to finally let the cat out of the bag when the time is right, and that will be very soon. I'm just making sure that, I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but you're just making sure that it almost sticks. You know, you just want to be positive that what is gonna happen is gonna happen, and I wouldn't want to announce anything and have it fall through last minute. So that's why I'm holding off a little bit. But now, jumping back into the video, I am cleaning the sink, which, as you guys know, is my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen in general. And I love my Dawn Power Wash spray. That's what I use to clean the kitchen. Occasionally I'll use baking soda, but usually if I'm just wiping it down, like tonight, I'll use Dawn dish soap. Let me know what you guys use to clean your sink.
Beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be.
Now that the sink is all clean, I'm just gonna wipe off the counters really quickly with my Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray, and I like to use lavender, especially at night, because it's just a really soothing, calming scent. Just like I tried to choose some really calming, soothing music for this video, I looked through my list and I found stuff that was very relaxing, and I want to know in the comments, just let me know if you like me doing the voiceovers pretty frequently, or if you just kind of want to hear the cleaning music and you're just more motivated by watching me clean. I'm really curious to know.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. How come the stars come to shine?
The living room wasn't too bad tonight. I'm just gonna get the cat hair off the couch and then spray it down with my sanitizing spray. Like, you know, if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that that's my favorite thing to use on this couch. It smells so good, and I just feel like it really gets the couch nice and clean. But then after that, I have a couple things that I have to fold for Kennedy, and then it'll be almost time to wrap this video up, since it's a quick little cleaning routine tonight.
Just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Everybody here to know that my comments are always open. If you have a video suggestion or you just want to stop in and say hi, we're building an amazing community here on this channel. Everybody has been so supportive of each other, and I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Remember, always open if you need a prayer request or some positive vibes sent your direction. I know every single person in this community would be more than glad to do that for you, and I would be as well. I read every comment, every single comment, guys. I'm not even kidding, and I am grateful for every single one.
Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
I want to thank everybody who is still at the end of this video with me. I really enjoyed making it and showing you what I kind of like to do just to get the house cleaned up before I go to bed. And remember, turn on all of your notifications because of the changes I mentioned earlier. And remember to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's video. And then I want everybody to have an amazing night. Thank you so much, guys.